Hey there, Techians! Welcome to the part 4 of our tutorial series in creating a 2D games specifically for beginning reading instruction entitled Letter Catch. So for this part, we will be organizing the downloaded resources from my shared Google Drive folder. So let's begin. So, minimize na muna natin to. Let's go to our downloads folder. So ayan na, naka-zip file na yung ating na-download na resource. So let's extract it at the desktop. So practice nyo na whenever you are creating a project in Unity. All the outputs or the game assets, the resources, put it in the desktop para hindi ka na mahirapan pang maghanap. So ito na yun. We have now the letter catch sprite. So in my programming journey, I always make 2 folders whenever I make a game in Unity. So that folder, first I'll be making for the game assets. So I'll be including here all the resources or the game objects that I will be using in my project. So gaya din dito sa tutorial, gagawin din natin yun. So drag natin itong letter catch sprites sa game assets. Ayan, game assets. And let's rename this letter catch. Yeah, letter catch. Kasi nilalagay ko din yan yung meron akong another game. So gagawa naman ako ng folder dyan. And doon ko nilalagay yung mga game objects na kailangan ko sa game na yan. So make sure lang guys na download nyo yung same file. And if you did not, or if you didn't, make sure feel free to message me. Ilalagay ko naman yung description or yung link ng aking Facebook account sa description box. So we have audios, power-up sprites, sprites for level 1, level 2, level 3, and the UI sprites. Ayan. So ilalagay na natin yan dito sa project panel ng Unity. And wait, kulang pa tayo ng folder. Sorry. Sinasabi ko kanina dalawang folder. Gagawa pa ako dito ng isang folder na letter catch. Para saan yan, sir? Ulit-ulit na ang letter catch mo. Okay. So, itong letter catch na folder, once we are done with our game in our Unity game engine, meron diyang part na i-export mo na yan or i-build mo na yan. Parang sa video editing softwares lang. Kapag natapos mo ng editing video mo, i-export mo siya into a specific directory. So dito, meron din tayong ganyan. I-build natin yung game natin and lalagay natin dito sa letter catch folder. All the changes, the updates ng yung game, dyan natin ilalagay. So, sa ending part pa naman yan ng video. So, huwag na muna ganyan. Pero, ilagay na natin. So, letter catch and the game assets. So, yan. Hindi ko i-drag mismo yung game assets sa ating project panel ng Unity. Ang gagawin ko dyan, yan. Ito mismo nasa loob ang ikakopy ko. So, drag natin yan dyan. Drag natin sa project panel. Ayan. Building. Okay, good. So, medyo may nakalimutan ko pala. So, in building a project or using the Unity game engine, ang required specs or recommended specs i3 up and above. Huwag kang gumamit ng Intel Celeron o Intel Pentium. So, parang wala kang magagawa dyan. Sasakit lang ang ulo mo yan. So, Intel Core i3 and above. Much better kung i5 or i7. Pero i3. Doable na i3. Gaya nito sa laptop ko. i3 ito. And with an SSD or HDD 240 and above. Graphics card, much better kung meron. Kung wala, okay lang. Basta ang processor is i3 and above. Well, anyway, ayan na ilagay na natin yung ating needed game objects for our game. So, bakit hindi ko nilagay yung game assets mismo? Mas gusto kasing nakikita ko kung saan ko makukuha ang audios, power-ups, yung sprites ng level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. Pwede naman dito sa left side. Click mo lang itong arrow button na to. Ayan. Makikita mo yung laman. Pag click mo, makikita mo yung laman yan. So, ayan. Nailagay na natin sa project panel yung ating game objects. May dadagdag akong mga tab. Ito. Naidagdag ko na pala. So, meron tayong dinagdag na tab na project settings. So, paano yan nakuha? So, dito yan sa edit and project settings. So, ayan. Pwede mo yung i-drag sa labas. Ayan. Or drag natin balikan. And the console na dating na andito. Dinalagay ko yun dito. Para yan na yung mga tabs. Sa scene, dito natin i-build yung game. And dito sa game, dito natin makikita yung action kapag hinit natin yung play button. And the project settings, which will be manipulating only package manager and the input manager. So sa input manager, yung controls ng player, and the package manager, isa lang naman yung i-ano natin sa asset store yung font face ng UI. So ayan, that's it for this video. So in the next video, I'll be beginning to teach you the basics of C# language that we'll be using to build this game. Yun yung language natin, C#. And sa Unity, C# talaga yung language na ginagamit. So basic, isa-isahin natin para hindi masyadong overloaded sa ating kaisipan. So thank you, Techyans. I hope you're still into this project and have fun.